Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix thermal shipping label 4x6. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to print out shipping labels to be 4x6 from eBay. How do you actually go ahead and print shipping labels so that they fit on this adhesive label that you see here? Now, in order to do this, what you first need to do is that before you actually buy your shipping label from eBay, you need to make sure that the print format here on the right-hand side is changed to 4x6 PDF. Then go ahead and purchase that shipping label. So simply just click on change and then select 4x6. Afterwards, once you download your label as a PDF, you want to click on Command P and then connect to your thermal printer. And then for the paper size, you want to change this to 4x6 and then click on print. Once you print it, your shipping labels should appear on this 4x6 shipping label. I'll also link my thermal printer that I'm using down below. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your thermal printer to ship labels 4x6. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.